Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to another episode on Kurt DIY. If you're new to the channel, my name is Kurt. Today we are at another one of our properties in which we procured for an investment property, rentals. And we buy distressed properties, of which we then later renovate. This is a step toward our journey for financial independence, so we can quit our 9-to-5 jobs, so we can have the freedom to do and whatever we please. So this is essentially day one. What you have not yet seen, the carpet's been removed. There was some nasty shag carpet that had been in here. Going through, there was a small knee wall. We had taken out the knee wall. What we're doing today is we're relocating the doorway into this bedroom, and we're going to put the doorway over here. As you'll see, the layout's a little funky. We're trying to maximize the space here to allow some functionality whenever the tenant moves in. So again, I think we're gonna close off this doorway for that bedroom, relocate it to this side of this wall, and then that'll allow them to have a small living area here. Just if you want to follow us, we can do a walk, show you what we're looking at. So we believe we're probably going to end up taking out these kitchen cabinets, replacing the cabinets. The vinyl flooring will come out. We'll put a vinyl plank flooring in here. Into what will be the master. They had a rather large closet in this area. So again, we're going to bring in the entry into this bedroom through where that OSB sheathing is. They'll come through here into the bedroom. We reduced the size of the closet a little bit. It's still a very nice sized closet. This will all be wall. This will be a wall here. So as you walk into the unit, you go in. But this is one of two units. This property was a single-family home at one point. They converted it this section. Probably it was an in-law suite. But we're going to split it off into a duplex. It'll be kind of like a front-rear duplex. This doorway over here. You can come in from the garage. There's a common vestibule area that'll take you into the garage from both properties. I apologize for the low lighting. We do not have power yet to the property. Small bathroom there. And then over here we have another bedroom. This will take you to the exterior. Another small bedroom here. I'm going to add a closet in here. But again, all the carpet's been removed, padding's been removed. They go through, as you see, the walls need touched up. Pretty much wraps it up for day one. Stay tuned. There's plenty more to do here. Again, this is just the first of two properties. Next week we'll get you a quick tour of the second property. Yeah, thanks for joining. So this is where we are at the end of day two. So as you see, this was the old door opening. We're going to leave the drywall off for the time being. We have to run some electrical wires through the stud cavities here for relocating the new switch. This will be the new bedroom door opening. So again, we have some wires to clean up here. These were supplying power to fixtures, light fixtures, as well as wall outlets in the bedroom. And this is that feed. There's the switch. For the light fixture, we will be relocating that over next to the new entry door into the bedroom. That's the progress for day two. Stay tuned. Thank you.